Dear students, in this video you will learn about double line to ground fault, that is double LG fault on an unloaded generator through a fault impedance method. First we will see the equivalent circuit of three-phase synchronous generator in this fault condition. So, in this fault condition, LLG fault condition, double line to ground fault. So, A phase is open circuited. In B and C phases are short circuited to the ground through fault impedance ZF. Here ZF is the fault impedance. Since A phase is open, the current flowing in the A phase is equal to 0. So, we can see in terminal conditions for A phase current will be equal to 0 and B phase voltage, since short circuited through the impedance, so voltage will be appear. So, VB is equal to IB plus IC into ZF, current into impedance. So, that is VB is equal to IB plus IC into ZF. Similarly, these two are parallelly short circuited, it will be equal to the C voltage, C phase voltage. VC is equal to IB plus IC into ZF. So, you can see VB and VC in these terminal conditions, right. So, using these terminal conditions, so we need to find out symmetrical component currents and voltages. So, symmetrical component relations IA0, IA1, IA2 and VA1, VA2, VA0. So, first we will find the voltages here. So, VA1 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus A into VB plus A square into VC. So, these are these relations already. So, we discussed it in module 3. So, symmetrical component voltages in terms of phase voltages, and VA2 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus A square VB plus A into VC, and VA0 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus VB plus VC. So, substitute and simplify, substitute and VB is equal to VC, right, substitute and simplify. So, finally here we will get 1 by 3 into VA minus VB, and VA2 is equal to 1 by 3 into VA minus VB, and VA naught is equal to 1 by 3 into VA plus 2 into VB. So, these are the voltages we got from the terminal conditions, right. So, observing the VA1, VA2, VA0, we can write VA1 is equal to VA2. Positive sequence voltage is equal to negative sequence voltage in this type of fault, and VA0 minus VA2, VA0 minus VA2 we can write 1 by 3 into 3 into VB, that is equal to VB, you can write VB is equal to IB plus IC into ZF. So, already we have seen this equation in terminal conditions, VB equation, right. So, 3 into IA0 into ZF you will get it, fault current, this will be provided expression for fault current, right. So, the condition IA0 is equal to 0, symmetrical component currents IA0, IA1, IA2, if you add all together, so that will be equal to 0. Since IA0 is equal to 0, symmetrical component current summation will be equal to 0, right. And we will move to the sequence networks. So, sequence networks. So, in this case all three impedances, positive, negative, zero sequence impedance will be connected parallel circuit. So, you can see in this diagram Z1, Z2, Z0 are connected parallel, right. So, from this sequence networks, so here we will write the sequence component currents IA1, IA2, IA0 and fault current. So, IIF is equal to IB plus IC. So IF is equal to IB plus IC. So substituting IF and IB in fault current IB and IC. So finally you can get, after simplification, you can get IF is equal to into IA naught minus of minus IA naught, 3 into IA naught. So IA naught is equal to, what is the formula? IA1 into Z2 by Z0 plus Z2 plus 3 into ZF, right? So fault current is equal to 3 into IA naught here, 3 into IA naught here, minus 3 into IA1 into Z2 by Z0 plus Z2 plus 3 into ZF. Since absence of neutral grounded, so here neutral grounded impedance is equal to infinite, so that anything by infinite is equal to 0. So fault current will be equal to 0. There is no fault current in this LLG fault. Okay, fault current is 0. Okay, right. So there is no fault current in this case. So here we have some note. So instead of remembering various results of a particular fault, it is often easier to visualize the connections of sequence networks to represent the fault and then proceed suitably. So various results, if you want to remember, it's very difficult. If you remember sequence networks, so you can find out the fault current suitably. The fault current in each case of fault involve ground is LG and LLG fault, and LL fault the fault current will not involve. So here LLG and LLG fault current is 3 times the zero sequence current, but in LL fault the fault current is equal to root 3 into positive sequence current. So this is the hint, so you can remember using these points. Okay, and next video, so we will see about symmetrical unsymmetrical faults on power system and single line to ground fault for 3-phase synchronous generator. So these things we will see in next video. Thank you everyone.